Welcome back traders. Today we'll discuss the trade which I have taken with clear logic, and I will also show you today's my PNL for today. And before showing the PNL, let me reload and show you because few may think it is a fake. So this is the today's profit which is around 10,000. So let me go back and show you the logic behind the trade. And first of all, few may think that profit with today, which is 10,000, is small. Few may think it is big. This trading account is just a small trading account for your trading knowledge, to improve your trading knowledge or to share the maximum learning as possible from my end. Okay. So if you have still not joined the Telegram channel, the link is available in the description. So before going on to today's trade logic behind the trade, first of all let me look at what is the clear trend on a 30-minute time frame. The sellers who are pushing the price clearly towards downside somehow got exhausted and multiple level of balance getting developed, and yesterday it was a clear cut up move, a budget day. Every single sellers in the market have been thrown out of the bank nifty's auction yesterday. So let's move on, let's discuss about today's trade logic on bank nifty. So first very important here is, before discussing the logic, there is only two major role played by the traders in market, that is buyers and sellers, or I can say buy or sell side. No other direction or no other side is there in the market. So first of all, from morning it was a clear up move. What I can tell, it is a follow through move of yesterday's budget days bullishness or buyer's strength. It is a follow through up move, and this up move was also a clean move from the morning. Very important here is how strong the follow through is. We got a follow through, that is fantastic, but how strong is the follow through? At some point when bank nifty was trading at 52-week high, again a point where price got exhausted and there was a small drop. But remember, if these sellers were strong enough, they would have first easily cleared the day's low in bank nifty, and they would have made a lower attempt to test the strength of yesterday's buyers. But unfortunately, sellers clearly failed. Price, forget about clearing this gap up opening. The day low itself not got cleared, where which multiple attempts has been made from the sellers. This is attempt number one, and this is two, and this is three. The multiple sellers attempt, throughout all the attempts have been clearly failed, and price got exhausted at every lower level. So this exhaustion is a clear cut end. Multiple exhaustion without even clearing the day's low tells us. And also the volumes. Look at the volumes when price was moving down. The volumes were also so dry. So it is clear hint that the bank nifty bullishness or strong buyers are, yesterday's strong buyers are clearly actively participating at lower levels by simply placing their limit orders and filling all this sellers attempt. And the multiple exhaustion has made me to take a easy buy side entry on today's auction. Let me show you. Look at this. After multiple rejection, this made me more attractive. Increase in volume which is coming after multiple exhaustion. So this is where a easy clear cut buy trade which has attracted me, and this is the VWAP. So most traders use VWAP. Once price crossed VWAP, there was no immediate follow through. Price again slowly came down, but still we are into the trade. We need to clearly monitor what is happening. Look at this, price is moving down, but volumes are dropping. This drop in volume has made me more confident to be on this trade. And when again price went up, again exhaustion, and again price came down. So this was the quick down move, but still my stop loss was below this low. So it was an calm auction. Even this down move has not even managed to trigger the stop loss, but price came near to our buying level again. And when again price went up with increase in volume, this is where I managed to exit this trade, because multiple exhaustion getting developed, multiple attempt again from the sellers to push the price down is getting failed. So this is where I have managed to exit my trades. So my trade entry was simple. Probably at this level, this was the candle which has attracted me with increase in volume. Volume increases after multiple exhaustion. So any buying or shorting, it's completely different. Important here is, don't be hurry to quickly exit. If price, for example, bank nifty is up by 100 points, can we exit? Bank nifty up by 150 point, can we exit? No, wait for your target. If you are confident, you will definitely have a target level and a stop loss level. Let market decide, because once you start reading the auction, let market decide. Because this was the two patience testing down move, but both the down move had low volume. Yes, this candle had a great decent volume, but this down move had a long wick, or I can call as a tail in a 5 minute time frame. This was just a stop loss, or I can say it as a stop and candle. Okay, because if this was the real down move which we are getting, if this was the real down move, this candle would have probably closed somewhere here and price should have came down. But once stop loss got triggered, price reversed back and the up move continued. This is where the weaker and retail traders get their stop losses triggered. What I personally called it as a stop hunt. And one hint which I gonna give today is, once you are into a trade, when you are seeing this kind of activity exactly below the VWAP, once you are in the trade, you are getting a stop loss, stop and candle, and price is reversing back in your same direction. So this is where it is a clear end that the price is gonna move up in your favor. If you are buying at this point, it will more the chance it can move in your favor in a fast manner. Only thing required is, when price is moving up, the volume parallelly should also move up, so it will be more stronger and more convincing. Okay.